हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, जोहार आप सभी का इस डेली ब्लॉग में। और मैं आप सभी का दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है स्पेसिफिकली इंग्लिश पे होने वाला है। आई मीन टू टॉक इंग्लिश। आई मीन ये तो अपना नेटिव लैंग्वेज तो है नहीं, बाकी कैसे साउंड करते हैं। और हमने काफ़ी कोशिश की है कि हम इंग्लिश में बोले। तो आज का जितना भी हम लोग का वीडियो होने वाला है, मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में बताऊँ। ठीक है, मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूँ। और बिना किसी देरी के चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो हेयर नॉट इन द क्लिप, वी विल कट इट, ओके। सो नेम किटी and there are two cow we have. So they are actually grazing some leaves, but now it's not the right place to graze. So we will, hey, go out from here. Let's go. Hey, its name is Nandi, okay. I named him, and he's our boy. And there is he's on. There is another cow. So we have two cows. So I'm going to tie them somewhere else. To be good for me that we have two cows. And here you can see there is a big branch, and often in our parents, whosoever our, you can say, grandfathers, in his I mean in all days they used to do meeting on under the tree, okay, here, and take decisions. And whatever happens in the village, they do all these things. So it is still here, and it is fortunate for us because in every seasons we takes a lots of mango from this tree. And I love to be, because I think you also, do you like eat mango or not? I know you like eat mango ground. And here they are eating. So stop. I think it is the right place to tie them, but I'm not finding somewhere in which branch I'll tie them. And sooner and later, and it is a time to release them from all the ropes. It is a kind of time after paddy, after harvesting. But a lot of people yet not harvest their paddy, na? So, and some are, they did it like that. So you can see here it is, and there is also. And mostly nowadays the peoples are very smart, and they want to save their energy. So for that they are not traditionally doing to harvesting or taking only paddy. They are only taking paddy, not this process, because they don't have cows and all. And though that's why peoples are thinking this is useless for us to take it. But we often do for us. I mean for the all times we are still doing that. I mean at the same time machines, and at the same time we preserve it. Preserve it, it doesn't mean preserve means we actually keep it at our home. And at the time of rainy days, when it rains comes and it just wet na, so after that that mushroom it will come appear from that, you could say, uh, the hay. This is called hay. So from hay, so it is both beneficial for us that it is. And let's see, I'm going to take one of that rope and going to tie somewhere. So where I'm going to tie, I'm not finding somewhere a place. It will be, yeah, stop, just stop from there. I will tie them in this bushes. This is called kasi. I don't know in the English word of it, so I can't say anything. Okay, so I just know only the name of. It is quite difficult to hold one hand the camera and the rope also, and it's pulling me, guys. Can I handle this? Yeah, I can. With one hand I hold, you know, you. This is called physics. Okay, so let me tie there. Okay, I finally tied it. Okay, and let's another one called Nandi. Hey Nandi, he's very friendly with me. I mean, see, but he's running, saying that don't tie me, and he's going to me. Oh, come back, come back, come back. Where you are going, Mr. Nandi? Mr. Nandi, come back, come back. And see, I think this is the right place to tie him, but it will be so close. So I'm going to take its rope and hey, come. So this is our daily work, which sometime I do and sometime my brothers. Okay, so normally who is free, so that I can't talk to you guys seriously. That will be so difficult for me. Now, no, I can talk to you. I thought I will, Nandi is very powerful in this. Yeah. So he's my lovely one, and we have often used to do such things. So let's see. Okay, and this was the work we have done. We did it, we both. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you liked my conversations with our conversations. And how is my English? Please do comment on the section. I mean, whatever you like or not, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So thank you everyone, see you in the next video.